Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to talk about products on Datacake and how to manage a big fleet of IoT devices. So let's go. So we are in my IoT project workspace, and I have here my beautiful MildSide EM300 temperature and humidity device that we added last time in the last video. And we want to show today how to add a fleet of devices. And I prepared before a little CSV file with my 20 MildSide EM300 devices that I'm going to add now, and I'm going to show you how to do it to our Datacake LNS, which is included in all of our packages as a reminder. So we just need to prepare the CSV file with the columns. I'm going to show you the order in which they have to be. And I'm going to select Add Device, and it's a LoRaWAN device. So I'm going to click on Next. And instead of selecting New Product from Template, because we don't want to create new products, we want to work on the same product as the one we created before, I'm going to select Existing Product, and I'm going to select MildSide EM300TH because this is the one product that I created before. And the product definition helps us manage a whole fleet of devices in an easy and in a more efficient way. So now we have to drag and drop a file, or we can click on this thing, and I'm gonna select MildSide devices, which is my CSV file. And as you can see, I have now all of them, the 20 devices that I prepared in here with their dev EUIs, their EUIs, their app keys, and so on. Also the frequency and class, they all were pre-prepared in this CSV file. So now I'm going to click on Next. And the next thing is selecting the device plan. If you have an organization plan, then you can select your organization plan and then they will be added right away. In this case, I'm going to add a code because I prepared a code for this in order for me to add the devices. So I prepared my code and I'm going to paste it now, and I'm going to click on Apply and add my 20 devices. And now I just have to wait a little bit for all of the devices to be there. I also added my product column in here, so you can see that they all belong to the MildSide EM300. All of these are based in the same template of the first device that we created because they are inside of the same product, and the product shares payload decoder, which you will find under configuration when you scroll down. The payload decoder is here. They all share fields and configuration fields as well, although the configuration fields and of course the values can differ from one device to the other. The fields and the downlinks are also shared among all of the devices of the same product, as well as the dashboard. So if you make any changes to any of those, to the payload decoder, to the fields, to the downlinks, or to the dashboard, they will all reflect in all of the devices that belong to the same product. And now I'm going to make a small test, and I'm going to show you how, if I change something in the dashboard for the MildSide EM300, it's going to reflect in all of the devices for this product. So I'm going to, for example, remove the battery, and I'm going to save the changes. I am inside of the 01 device, and if I click on the 05 device, you will see that it also doesn't have the battery now. If I add it again as a value widget, select the battery in volts, and I add it to this small space that is already available in here, and save it. And if I go again to the number 1, you will see that the battery is in there, and of course it's not in volts, it's in percentage. So I'm going to change these and save it, and I'm gonna go to a random one, and now you can see that the percentage is reflected there. So that way you can manage all of your devices all at once in a more effective way, in an easier way. This way you don't have to change one by one your devices, and also because of these things you can use the rule engine and apply it on a whole product and create a rule that applies for all of your devices in your workspace, and you have a lot of benefits of using the product definition on Datacake, and you can manage a very big fleet of devices. In this case, now we have 22 devices of this type, and of course you can add hundreds of devices of the same type or thousands of devices of the same type, and you can manage them all in Datacake in a very easy way. So I hope this video was useful. I hope you could learn a little bit about how to manage a big IoT fleet on Datacake, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.